This is truly going to be the longest weekend ever.
Throw it in there. Woo! Listen, you supposed to throw it. No. Get your candy. Come on. Come on.
Hey y'all, so it is Saturday. I am currently getting ready to head to the fall festival at church. We went to the daycare's fall festival last night. This is truly going to be the longest weekend ever. I took Cole to my mom's for a couple of hours so that I could get dressed and do a couple of things without him running around. The reason for that is he has been up since about 6 o'clock running around, and I didn't get much done. Like, I got a little bit done, and then he went to sleep, but he fell asleep with me holding him, and so of course I didn't get much done then because I was holding him. So I took him there for a little bit just so that I could get a couple of things done. I wanted to make a short, and I also needed to do my hair for that short. Like, I just need to do my hair anyways. And so my mom said she would watch him for a little bit and give me a break before I take him to the festival, because we did the festival last night, and it was like as soon as I got off work, I got him dressed. And there we stayed till about 8:30, no, about 8 o'clock. Ran back to my mom's house to pick up some stuff she had for us, because she bought me some frozen goods and I didn't want them to be in the car. And then we headed back home, and it took a while for him to wind down. Even though they had like jumpers and stuff, like, it took a while for him to wind down after all that fun. And then of course he was up at the crack of dawn. I'm really working on getting him to sleep alone, but also getting him to get used to like connecting his sleep and not looking for me throughout the night, because if I move or if I leave, he gets up looking for me. So it makes it really hard for me to get anything done while he is asleep, because then he wakes up and then he's up, and then we just keep going from there. Anyways, I am doing literally the bare minimum on makeup because it's really dreary and rainy and cold, and by the time we get out there, it's probably going to be dark because it doesn't start till 7. So I'm not really, it's not for me, it's for him. So last night he was Blippi. Today the church has a theme for doing decades, like through the decades. So I'm just gonna throw on a pair of bell bottoms. I was gonna dress like him because he's doing Grease, like dressing like a Grease character, because that was just easy. Like, this Halloween the challenge was what's in the closet that we can recreate. So far, successful. I did have to buy the suspenders and tie and stuff, but overall, no money has been spent. So he has a black blazer that kind of resembles a leather jacket, somewhat, for a baby. His blue jeans, white tee, and some boots. And I'm gonna roll his jeans up. And I really wish I could get better at doing eyebrows. I'm gonna roll his jeans up. And that'll be that. And then I'm gonna put on bell bottoms, turtleneck with a belt and some boots and call it done. And I will be, I guess, from the bell bottom era of the 60s, and he will be the 50s, if that's how it goes. I think those are the years. I'm not even sure. I don't like to rush doing makeup, but I want to get this done and pick him up as soon as possible. But anyway, so we are doing that, and then we have a break Sunday, Monday, but we have to get his outfit ready for Tuesday, the actual Halloween day. And I'm not really big into Halloween, but I do it for him. It's not really my thing. My mom always let me dress up as different things, but we didn't really celebrate Halloween. And if you know, if you're a church kid, they do like Hallelujah night or fall festival instead of actually calling it Halloween, just so the kids aren't left out. I have to get him ready for that, and so I was like, what's in this closet that we can recreate? Because I didn't want to send his Blippi costume because it has so many pieces. I know he would lose them or get in trouble about them. You know, another kid might take his glasses, or, you know, you just don't want there to be issues. So I was trying to figure out what else I could do, and I remembered he had a construction vest, and I was like, bet, I'm gonna dress him as a construction worker. So I got his clothes out for that, and since it's gonna be cold, I'm gonna put on this long sleeve plaid top that has a hood, some jeans, some boots, and I just gotta get him a construction hat. So tomorrow, Monday, I'm on the hunt for the construction hat. And I also have to get cookies for his party. And I think that's it. I just owe them cookies. I did my dress up day for work already. We had to do themes, so I was Looney Tunes, and I will show y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish getting dressed and get myself to my mother's to pick up my child. Look who's home. Come on, you getting up here?
Yeah.
Okay. We're somewhat ready. I just had to sit down and take a break because getting him dressed. His dressed is like an Olympic sport, and my hair's like not finished. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing with it, what I'm doing with my entire life right now. And Cole is just destroying decorations one at a time. Thank you. I kind of switched up what I was doing as far as my outfit for tonight. His is kind of coming together. He just has to put on his jacket, but we're not going to be out there long because it's cold. Like, it's getting really chilly out. So we're going to go run to the store, get him a little bag to put his candy in, and we're going to be done because it's cold out there. See, I think we nailed it.
This way. Go that way. Year 2 and he still ain't got it. We're gonna figure it's cute. He's still trying to figure it out. Hi, say hi. Look, get your candy. Say thank you. Hey.
Hey y'all, so it's Monday and I'm currently sitting outside of Target. It's supposed to be picking up my child, but instead I am actually at the little Target drive-up pickup thingy because I legit forgot I was supposed to be getting pieces to his outfit. And so during my break, I ordered the piece to his outfit and some undershirts because the temperature dropped to like the 30s out of nowhere. And it was rainy yesterday, and all I could think about was going home. So yeah, I'm here at the last minute picking up stuff. And I'm gonna have to still go in because I forgot he needed cookies for tomorrow. I'm definitely failing.
Whoa, there you go. Are you ready? You going to work? Oh my. Ooh, you are working. right, we gotta go bye-bye. Let's go. Okay, bye.
Hey y'all, so it is Tuesday, it's Halloween, and no, we are not out trick-or-treating. Let me sit down? Okay, I'll sit down. Cole is currently in the tub trying to bathe himself. And I'm just letting him play for a minute. So we did not do the whole trick-or-treating thing only because it started getting really cold. He has a cough. And he's not really all that into people putting the candy in his bucket. But he had fun. He did the fall festival at daycare. He did the church fall festival, and then he dressed up today for daycare, and they had parties. So, you know, we brought cookies and all that kind of stuff. So we're good. We don't need any more candy whatsoever. We're going to actually, I have a pizza in the oven because he surprised me yesterday and tried to eat all my mom's pizza. So I stopped by the store, got him a frozen pizza just to throw in the oven. We're going to probably eat that, maybe a couple of pieces of candy, maybe some popcorn, watch a movie. He's not really a movie kid yet. He does not enjoy sitting and watching a movie. If you saw our vlog when I took him to the movie theater, you know that to be also very true because we didn't last very long. We're thinking maybe Coco because it's not scary. It's a cute, fun movie. And then, yeah, water. Go through all of his candy and pick out what he can eat, and I might take the rest to school. So his outfits that were all courtesy of his closet actually turned out really good. So for Blippi, I did order the Blippi pieces from Amazon, the suspenders and stuff, and it was like, I think like $10. His Grease outfit, he had all of those items for his Grease outfit. Whoa, water in the tub, in the tub. Thank you, in the tub. His Grease outfit, that was literally just clothes from his closet, and his black shades that he had already had from the Dollar Tree. And then his construction outfit, I think I might have said this before, but the construction vest I saved for him to play dress up from his adoption actually last year. And so I went by Target and got him like this little construction set so he could have the goggles and the pieces with it, and that was like $6. So 3 outfits, 3 different events, all what, under $30. Not bad. And it's all stuff that he can still use because he's gonna play with those orange glasses, I promise you. Now the suspenders, I don't know about that, and the bow tie, probably not. But the construction stuff, as y'all can already see from the previous clip, he was already trying to fix everything in my house, and he actually has a play drill that he really loves too, so that was just perfect for him because he really loved doing that. So yeah, we're gonna end our night kind of chill. I'm really tired. You want me to sit down? Okay, I have to go sit down. I normally sit by the tub while he showers, so